Let's talk about something most people don't love thinking about: healthcare costs later in life. Because the reality is, medical care, prescriptions, long term care, nursing homes, these things can get expensive fast. And if you don't have a plan in place, those costs can start eating away at the estate you spent your entire life building. I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're talking about how to structure your estate plan so rising healthcare costs don't completely derail your financial future. The first step is making sure your healthcare directives are in place. That means naming someone you trust to make medical decisions if you can't, and clearly outlining your wishes for care. These documents give your family direction during stressful moments, and they prevent confusion when decisions have to be made quickly. Next, we need to talk about long-term care, because statistically speaking, many people will need some form of assistance later in life. Assisted living, memory care, nursing homes, it adds up quickly. That's where Medicaid planning can come into play. With the right legal strategies, it may be possible to qualify for benefits while still protecting a portion of your assets for your spouse or your family. But this is an area where planning ahead really matters. Another strategy we sometimes use is an irrevocable trust. This can set aside assets specifically for future care while protecting them from being spent down too quickly. And don't overlook long-term care insurance. It's not a legal document, but when paired with a solid estate plan, it can help cover the cost of in-home care or facility care so your savings aren't drained. One more thing that often gets overlooked: talk with your family. Let them know who's making decisions, where the documents are, and how care will be handled. That communication alone can prevent a lot of stress later. Healthcare costs may be unpredictable, but your plan doesn't have to be. If you want help putting the right structure in place, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll help you build a plan that protects both your independence and your legacy. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.